Right now, there's a hidden gold rush worth billions of dollars happening beneath Egypt's ground. Meanwhile, everyone else is focused on real estate or traditional gold. Global tech giants are pouring billions into a sector expected to explode to $7 trillion worldwide by 2030. And in Egypt, $42.7 billion of economic value and investments related to artificial intelligence are expected by 2030. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for simple investment ideas and stock tips. Everyone knows that Egypt controls global trade through the Suez Canal, but what no one is paying attention to is that Egypt also controls the digital Suez Canal. More than 90% of data traffic between Europe and Asia passes right through here. And with the coming AI revolution, these companies need a place to store all that data. That's where data centers come in. And when it comes to investing, you can't buy Amazon or Microsoft shares on the Egyptian stock exchange, but you can buy shares in the local companies that are building this infrastructure. These are the top 3 stocks on the Egyptian exchange, EGX, that are expected to benefit from this massive wave. The first stock on our list is the undisputed heavyweight champion, Telecom Egypt, EDEL. Imagine data centers like houses. They need roads and water pipes to function in the digital world. These roads are the fiber optic cables, and Telecom Egypt owns the main highway or the core infrastructure. They don't just lay the cables. They're building data fortresses. Their regional RDH center hosts the world's biggest tech companies. Any major company that wants to enter Egypt has to pay rent to Telecom Egypt. This is an actual monopoly over digital data traffic. Their latest annual revenue reached 106 billion Egyptian pounds, with a consolidated net income of 22.55 billion Egyptian pounds. This growth is due to a 46% year-over-year increase in data revenues, which now make up the largest part of the company's growth. The second stock, if you want real private sector power, take a look at Raya Holding. Raya. Most people know Raya for electronics or customer service. But behind the scenes, their company Raya Data Centers is making huge moves. They just wrapped up a $25 million partnership with the Africa 50 Fund. This is a major African infrastructure fund, and they're teaming up to build a next-generation Tier 3 data center. While Telecom Egypt is holding the state-level position, Raya is aggressively taking over the corporate cloud computing market. They're building the actual digital real estate. Raya Holding achieved revenues of 15.8 billion Egyptian pounds in the first quarter of 2026. That's an increase of 22.8% from 12.8 billion Egyptian pounds in the first quarter of 2025. Net profit rose to 384 million Egyptian pounds compared to 370 million Egyptian pounds during the same period last year. The third stock isn't just building the walls. It's running the digital system inside, e-finance stock. This is the official arm for the Egyptian government's digital transformation. Every time Egypt converts a tax authority or Edmark to a digital system, that data needs secure local cloud storage. E-finance is the one managing the infrastructure for this sovereign data. They're the landlord for Egypt's digital infrastructure. As demand grows, their services are now essential. In the first quarter of 2026, e-finance recorded consolidated revenues of 2.2 billion Egyptian pounds, marking a year-over-year increase of 38.8% compared to E1.6 billion in the same period last year. The company's consolidated net profit after tax also rose to $856 million, an increase of 42.3% compared to 602 million Egyptian pounds in the first quarter of 2025. But wait, before you open your broker app, you need to pay attention to the X factor. Gulf entities worth billions of dollars, like Gulf Data Hub and Kazna, are entering Egypt with massive technology complexes. This means fierce competition, but it also presents huge partnership opportunities for local fiber companies. Gulf Data Hub, GDH, a data center operator based in the United Arab Emirates, invested $2.1 billion in Egypt. This initiative is a joint venture with the Egyptian company El Zawedi Data Centers to build 3 hyperscale data complexes. The AI revolution isn't just happening in Silicon Valley, it's happening right here under our feet in Egypt. The digital Suez Canal is being built right now. Egypt is entering the AI race from a different angle, serving as a main hub for the undersea fiber optic cables that power it. This puts it in a position to become the leading regional hub for artificial intelligence and digital infrastructure in Africa and the Middle East. Think about it. Which of these three has the highest growth potential? Telecom Egypt, Raya, or eFinance? Let us know what you think and subscribe to the channel to catch upcoming investment analyses. See you in the next video. Thanks for tuning in.